Welcome to Explained for Everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Dan Martell, a successful entrepreneur, investor, and business coach in the SaaS industry. Dan Martell is best known for coaching SaaS founders, helping them scale their businesses effectively. With his extensive experience in building and selling companies, Dan's insights have guided many entrepreneurs to success. His journey began with founding Spheric Technologies, which he sold in 2008. This success led to ventures like Flowtown, Clarity.fm, and SaaS Academy, where he helps other entrepreneurs grow. SaaS Academy offers workshops, online courses, and one-on-one coaching, providing strategies to scale businesses efficiently. On social media, Dan shares insights on entrepreneurship and personal development, inspiring many to pursue their goals. Dan is also a sought-after speaker at industry events, covering topics from business scaling to personal growth. In addition to coaching, Dan is an active investor, supporting startups with growth potential. His investments and mentorship have helped many companies succeed. Dan's story is also one of balance. Despite his busy schedule, he makes time for family and personal interests, showing that success is about creating a fulfilling life.